Why do you think like we have still not become the top or become the best in world for manufacturing when we can actually provide the cheapest in the world?
So that's actually a great question, because if you compare sort of India with China, China is there, right? China is the manufacturing workshop to the world. What did we not do?
Exactly.
What did China do? And if you look at the details, there are a few things which hit you very quickly. One, while we have a lot of people, we don't have a lot of well-educated sort of high school graduates. They are often moderately educated. The ones that finish high school and are really good, most of them don't want to work with their hands. They go on to college and to university.
Yeah.
And not all our university graduates are great. I mean, we cite this survey from Weebox, which says only 50% of our university graduates are employable. So one is, in China, the level of education, especially mass education, was higher, and many of those were willing to work with their hands once they left schools. And so the quality of worker you got was very good. Today, when we talk to entrepreneurs in India, they say we can't find workers.
Yeah.
And that boggles the mind, no? When we have so much population.
Highly skilled workers.
What they mean is we can't find appropriately skilled workers, right? So we need to work on that. We need to have many more people graduating with decent high school education, but also able and willing to work in factories, right? The factory job also needs to be made better. That's another issue which we need to think about. The second thing is the rules and regulations. We've always talked about the rules and regulations being onerous in India, difficult to set up a factory. I don't know what rules and regulations you have to go through to. Maybe this you didn't have to, because this is relatively services not hit by all the other.
But now we do. Now we have to go through.
Now you're bigger, you have all the rules and regulations. So we have to make it much more business friendly. And that is a problem. In China, what they did is they had the local government, which wanted to encourage growth, because often the local government leader was promoted based on the growth he generated or she generated. So they changed the rules to make it easier for the local businesses to actually grow. So that was another thing China did.